What's the meaning of chicken feed? Chicken feed. Chicken feed.
Chicken feed. Chicken feed. Chicken feed is a slang term used to refer to a small or insignificant amount of money or something that is relatively unimportant or trivial. It is typically used to describe an amount of money that is considered small in comparison to a larger sum or a significant expense. The term likely originates from the idea that chicken feed, or food for chickens, is relatively cheap and unimportant compared to other expenses on a farm. Overall, chicken feed refers to something that is not worth much or is of little significance.